Learn these words related to marketing, which may sound very easy but very tough to write. Let's have a look. So, the first word related to marketing is catalog. Second is interview. Third is newsletter. Fourth is products. Fifth is search method. Sixth is entertainment industry. Seventh is leadership. Eighth is management. Ninth is display. 10th is customer. 11th is special offer. 12th is collecting data. 13th is questionnaire. 14th is survey. 15th is mass media. Then 16th is statistic. 17th is profit margin. 18th is poll. 19th is business card. 20th is training. First is trainee. Second is merchandise. Third is manufacture. Fourth is recruitment. You are very welcome to follow this page to learn English every day.